Greetings of the day everyone. Welcome to GHRC News Desk. I am Tanvi Mangrolkar bringing you the latest updates from our college. Starting up with the headlines. GHRC celebrated Teachers' Day on 8th September. Our college also conducted Engineers' Day program on 18th September. STTP conducted on artificial intelligence for solving emerging industry challenges, trades, tools and applications on 15th to 20th September. Internal Smart India Hackathon 25 was conducted on 20th September. Induction program Prarambh was conducted on 23rd of September. Professional chapter events GDGOC, IEEE Cygnus were conducted. Expert talks were also organized. A workshop was organized by the Department of Electrical Engineering on Introduction to AutoCAD. And finally, some student achievements. Now let's proceed to news details. First, we have the Teachers' Day celebration. At GH Raisoni institutions, Teachers' Day celebration stands as a cherished tradition to honor educators for their invaluable contributions to shaping society. GHRC has consistently upheld this legacy by organizing vibrant celebrations filled with diverse cultural performances, heartfelt tributes and expression of gratitude from students. The program was scheduled to be held on September 8, Monday, at the college premises, continuing the tradition of celebrating the mentors who inspire, lead and empower generation of learners. This event also included the Best Teacher Award. The recipient was Dr. Swapnil Kubarkar from Electrical Engineering Department. Cultural programs were also a part of this event that blend entertainment with expression of gratitudes towards faculty members. We have the Engineers' Day celebration. GHRC celebrated Engineers' Day on 18th September with great enthusiasm. The event was graced by Engineer Milind Pathak, Director, Elucin Automation Private Limited, Nagpur. The celebration aimed to honor the contribution of students and faculties in research excellence. The program commenced with a welcome address by the Director, Dr. Sachin Untavle, who emphasized GHRC's ongoing commitments to academic excellence. Dr. S.B. Jaju, Dean R&D, outlined GHRC's stellar research achievements, including numerous patents, publications and innovation. He also announced the name of the recipients who received incentives for their outstanding contributions. The event concluded with a vote of thanks delivered by Dr. Rahul Agrawal, Associate Dean R&D, GHRC Nagpur. We have the STTP conducted on artificial intelligence. The Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, in association with the IETE Students Forum and eWiz Global, organized a short-term training program on artificial intelligence for solving emerging industry challenges from 15th to 20th September. The program featured 12 expert sessions on machine learning, generative AI, cyber security, embedded systems, ERP, drone technologies and more, with speakers from IIIT Nagpur, YCC, TCS, Perficient India, ScaleGen AI, Saint-Gobain and others. Key highlights include interactive Q&A sessions, digital mementos and participation feedback. The valedictory session was graced by Dr. Vijay Mankar and Dr. Sachin Untavle, who praised the success of the program. The event was coordinated by Professor Neeraj Nagrale and Dr. Pankaj Chandan Khede under the guidance of Dr. Atul Deshmukh, HOD ETC. Internal Smart India Hackathon 25. We at GHRC successfully hosted the SIH Internal Hackathon on 20th September. This event was conducted as a crucial screening to identify and select the best performing teams from the institution for participating in the prestigious SIH Grand Finale. The internal hackathon witnessed enthusiastic participation from students across various branches, showcasing the innovative spirit, problem-solving capabilities, and teamwork. The college provided technical support and event management teams who worked tirelessly to ensure seamless execution of the event. A total of 183 registrations for the event. There were 1098 participation in total, out of which 714 were male candidates and 384 were female candidates. Induction program Prarambh. We organized the orientation program Prarambh for first year students and their parents on 23rd September with over 500 parents in attendance. In her welcome address, Dr. Rupali Thete, Dean First Year, highlighted the best practices at GHRC for a joyful learning journey. Dr. Pramod Varke, Dean Academics, emphasized that GHRC has been a pioneer in implementing the NEP 2020 and elaborating on different schemes. Dr. Santosh Jaju, Dean R&D, presented the institution's supporting schemes to nurture research potential, while Registrar Dr. Sanjay Dorle explained different scholarship schemes for CAP admitted students. Director Dr. Sachin Untaule addressed the gatherings outlining initiatives to promote innovation and holistic student development. Professional chapter events. Launch of GDGOC GHRC chapter inspires innovation at Smart India Hackathon 2025. On 9 September, the Google Developer Groups on Campus GHRC chapter hosted its inaugural event, Crack SIH with GDGOC, along with official installation ceremony at the auditorium, with 548 participants including students, faculties and tech enthusiasts. The highlight was the announcement of GDGOC GHRC Team Phase 1, featuring students from DIC Department, Krishna Batra, Himanshu Ladve, Sanika Vazarkar, Aniket Tiwari, Jagdish Jadhav, Jignesh Sonawne and Ananya Singh. The event concluded by inspiring students to innovate, collaborate and make an impact at the Smart India Hackathon 25 and beyond. Electronics Engineering Department organized Expert Talk. The IEEE SB GHRC organized a session on IEEE student membership benefits, serving and preparing next-gen leaders. On 11 September 25, under the guidance of the Electronics Department HOD, Dr. Vineet Kotak, Chair of IEEE Blockchain Group, Bombay Section, delivered the guest talk, highlighting emerging technologies and the benefits of IEEE membership. Dr. Kotak also held an exclusive interaction with IEEE members, offering guidance on event planning, teamwork, communication and innovation, boosting their confidence to organize future activities effectively. Cygnus 2025. The IEEE Computer Society and Student Branch Chapter at GHRC, in collaboration with Phoenix Forum and the COE Data Science, COE Data Technology, COE High Performance, successfully hosted Cygnus 25. It was a flagship 2-day technical fest on the 19th and 20th of September with the theme of innovation, collaboration and transformation. Cygnus brought together students, faculty and industry experts to exchange knowledge, showcase skills and build networks. The event featured keynote addresses, technical workshops, hackathons, panel discussions and cultural performances, creating an immersive experience that reflects the chapter's mission of advancing technology and empowering young innovators. Expert Talks organized. GHRC organized a series of expert talks across different departments. On 13th August, the Department of DIC organized a session on life skills and interpersonal issues by Advocate Subhash Khare, with active participation from 80 students and faculty members. On 12th September 2025, the Department of Artificial Intelligence held a session on cyber security automation with AI, with 102 participants, highlighting the growing importance of AI-driven cyber defense in the digital era. On 15th September, the Civil Department hosted a session on machine learning applications in earthquake engineering by Dr. S.T.G. Raghukant, Professor IIT Madras, who emphasized the role of ML in enhancing structural safety in seismic resilience. On 19 September, the Department of Managing Studies conducted a talk on merger and acquisition by Dr. Shantanu Jog, Company Secretary and Advocate, covering M&A fundamentals, compliance, valuation and real-world case studies. Department of Electrical Engineering organized a one-day workshop. Under the Industry Academia initiative, the Department of Electrical Engineering, in association with Astral Informatics Private Limited, organized a one-day workshop on Electrical AutoCAD on 10th September. The workshop covered AutoCAD basics, its applications in electrical engineering and industry relevance, with 67 students participating in it. Sessions were conducted by Engineer Kshitij Navgare and Sharad Gabane, convened by Prema Daigwane and coordinated under the Center of Excellence in Electric Vehicle and FACS. The workshop successfully bridged academics with industry through active participation and faculty involvement. And finally, some student achievements. Dayananda Sagar University, Bangalore organized DSU DevHack 2.0, a national level hackathon held on the 12th and 13th September. The 36-hour event brought together participants from across the country to address real-world challenges with technology and innovation. It is a proud achievement for our GHRC students who secured the runner-up position at this international level hackathon. Their success stands as a testament to the talent, creativity and problem-solving skills that are nurtured. This remarkable accomplishment not only highlights the students' dedication but also showcases the institution's commitment for fostering innovations and excellence in global platforms. Young Voice of Nagpur represented India at prestigious Anime Forum. In September, Vibhor Joshi, final year data science student at GHRC and youngest core member of Nagpur Anime Club, was invited as an ambassador at MMA Japan, a leading global cultural forum. He engaged with international leaders from different companies, discussing anime culture and technology. His participation highlighted him as a cultural bridge between India and Japan, bringing pride to Nagpur on the global stage. Cadet Sarika Yadav shines bright at All India Nausainik Camp 25. The All India Nausainik Camp 25, one of NCC's most prestigious events, concluded on 12th September, with 612 cadets selected from across India after 50 days of rigorous training and competitions in naval disciplines. Amid this, Cadet Sarika Yadav from IoT branch GHRC and member of 4 Maharashtra Naval Unit NCC excelled while representing the Maharashtra's Directorate, winning a silver medal in an individual event and contributing to the Directorate's overall trophy victory. Her achievement reflects NCC's core value of discipline, perseverance and leadership, bringing glory to both Maharashtra's Directorate and GHRC, while inspiring youth with the spirit of nation first, discipline always, service before self. This is it for the News Desk episode. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.